Hi, you're watching the news with me. I'm Deepavali Hazra. These are the headlines at the top of 9. After meeting the Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari, BJP State Chief Chandrakant Patil said that the party doesn't have the numbers to form the government in Maharashtra and will sit in opposition. Patil said that the Sena can go ahead and form the government with NCP and Congress. He also added that Sena's conduct was an insult to the people's mandate. A day after the Supreme Court ordered the centre to provide the Muslim party a 5-acre alternate land in the Ayodhya title dispute case, the Sunni Waqf Board today said that the decision on whether to accept the land in Ayodhya will likely be taken at its meeting on November the 26th. The Apex Court on Saturday backed the construction of a Ram temple at the disputed site in Ayodhya. Amid the Maharashtra political impasse, Shiv Sena is firm on the Chief Minister's post. Shiv Sena Chief Uddhav Thackeray said Shiv Sena will no more be carriers of the palanquin. This time, a Shiv Sainik will sit in it. Posters demanding Aditya Thackeray as the Chief Minister appeared once again. The BJP, meanwhile, held a meet twice with its MLAs to decide on accepting the Governor's invitation for government formation, which they later declined. The NCP and Congress for now seem to be speaking in different voices on allying with the Shiv Sena in Maharashtra. Senior Congress leader Milind Deora asked the governor to invite NCP Congress alliance to form the government in the state, as the BJP Sena had not staked claim yet. However, party colleague Sanjay Nirupam said allying with the Sena would be disastrous. NCP's Nawab Malik had said that they would consider allying with the Sena if they can pull down the BJP during the floor test. The BJP today released the list of candidates for the upcoming elections in Jharkhand, which will be held between November 30th and December 20th. BJP Working President JP Nadda, while announcing the candidates for the 52 seats in the state, acknowledged the work done by present Chief Minister Raghubar Das. The counting of votes for Jharkhand takes place on December the 23rd. Prime Minister Modi dialed West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to review the cyclone situation in the state as Cyclone Bulbul passes over Bengal. The Bengal Chief Minister cancelled her North Bengal visit to survey the storm-affected areas. Cyclonic storm Bulbul, which weakened from very severe to severe, crossed the coast of West Bengal with a maximum wind speed of 110 to 120 km per hour, gusting up to 120 km per hour into Bangladesh. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.